in Visual Studio Code, you can add in additional programs and do things to change the usability of your code or of the program. So I'm going to show you both changing settings and adding external resources to it so we can increase the functionality. So I'm going to go into Code and Preferences and Settings. So one of the things that I really like to do here is work with the formatting, where you do format on paste, format on save, format on save timeout, format on type. What this does is it aligns all of your code so it's correctly indented to make it as easy as possible to read. That will save you a lot of headaches, and if you need help fixing the code or debugging the code, it makes my life a lot easier. So you should do this. Now in a PC setting, it would be done in settings instead of going to preferences. And you can just close the settings for that to save and apply. We're also going to add an extension. And there's lots of really cool ones in here. I'm going to play around with the FTP ones at some point to see if I can find one that I like better than FileZilla. And we're also potentially going to play with ones that work with GitHub. But today, I think the most important one for you to have is to have Spellcheck. So type in spell, and you can pick either of the first two. I'm going to do the first one, and I'm going to hit install. And that's all you need to do for it. It's applied globally. It will work in all of your pages. So that way, when you are working in Visual Studio Code, you can have it spell check, because I don't know about you, but I have lots of issues with spelling because I'm slightly dyslexic.